Two things. I spoke about prayer and I spoke about your values. Don't lose the connection with Allah. Take your prayer seriously, always. And number two, ensure you don't lose your values. Your standards are very high. Go higher, but don't go lower. Don't let anyone fool you into believing you need to lose yourself in order to modernize. You need to lose yourself in order to be liberated. No, we will modernize with the connection with Allah. Allah did not say don't have the latest technology. Allah did not say don't have the best roads. Allah did not say don't have the best houses, best vehicles. Allah did not say don't develop. He wants you to develop. He wants you to be the most modern. He wants you to have the best facility, but with the connection with Him. That's all He's saying. You must educate yourself, but connect with Allah and maintain that connection in the best way. See what Allah does for you. So may Allah Almighty protect the nation, guard this nation. Wallahi, if you want to witness greater growth, don't ever allow anything that happens in your life to make you become physical or violent or disrespectful, because if that is the case, you will move backwards. You know, you might be surprised as a religious person standing in front of you talking about the importance of respecting with difference. The reason is we witness destruction in so many places. When we see goodness, it's our duty to remind you, this is a favor of Allah upon you. Consider it a favor and protect it in whatever way you can. Protect it. Look at people, care for them. These are my brothers, these are my sisters. Let me help, let me protect. So what if they are not so kind to me? Let me continue to be kind to them. That's a believer. If they are not so kind to me, let me continue to be kind to them, because I am kind, because Allah loves those who are kind. Islam did not say be kind to those who are kind to you. No. Islam says be kind to everyone. Who says that? Allah. When you are kind to someone, you are kind in order to please Allah, not to please you as a human being. No. If you are happy, alhamdulillah, it's a bonus. But if you are not happy, it's okay. Allah is already happy. When you give to a poor person, you don't give to make the poor person happy. You are giving to make Allah happy. That's the intention. But the poor person will become happy as a result. As a result. Your primary intention is to please Allah.